You know what keeps me up at night? That big fundamental question. Are we the only show in town, cosmically speaking?
It's a huge question.
Well, you're not going to believe this, but we've just gotten what could be some seriously exciting first clues from a world unimaginably far away.
Exactly. Today, our deep dive takes us 124 light years out to the constellation Leo.
Wow.
We're looking at the exoplanet K2-18b, and we're going to unpack the very latest findings from the James Webb Space Telescope.
GWST. Yeah.
Observations that have scientists, and likely you listening, really pondering the potential for life beyond Earth.
Think about that. 124 light years. That light's been traveling for over a century to get here.
Mm-hmm.
And now, maybe, just maybe, it holds an answer to that question. You know, if this pans out, it's huge.
It absolutely could be. It changes everything about how we see ourselves in the universe.
It could finally answer that, that alien life question everyone wonders about.
Right. And what's great is that you shared some really compelling reports, including that CNN coverage, detailing these initial Webb observations.
Yeah, trying to get my head around it.
So we're going to dissect what these amazing instruments picked up and what the first potential implications might be for everyone listening and for science.
Okay, so mission for today's deep dive. Let's get straight to the important stuff. These potential hints of life on K2-18b.
The core nuggets.
Exactly. Why are people so excited? But also, let's cover the cautious side, right? The understandable hesitation.
Definitely need that balance.
We want to give you the key info without getting, totally bogged down in jargon. So let's set the scene. K2-18b. What is this place?
Okay, so picture this. K2-18b. It orbits a red dwarf star.
Smaller than our sun, right?
It's cooler, too. And it's way out there, 124 light years away. But the key thing is its location. It's in the habitable zone.
Ah, the Goldilocks zone.
Precisely. That sweet spot where temperatures could allow liquid water on the surface.
And water is, well, essential.
It's the fundamental thing we look for, based on life as we know it, a primary criterion in the search.
Okay, so location's good. But I kept seeing this term, Hyson world. What's that about?
That's a great question. It's a relatively new concept, really. A Hyson world is thought to have a hydrogen-rich atmosphere over a huge ocean, maybe even a global one, like a water world, but with a very different sky.
And we think K2-18b might be one.
Previous data hinted at it. They found methane and carbon dioxide, which you might expect. But crucially, there was a lack of ammonia.
And that fits the Hyson model.
It does. Ammonia would be expected under different conditions, so its absence supports the idea of a water ocean interacting with that hydrogen atmosphere.
So definitely not Earth 2.0 then. It sounds